Hey y'all, it's me Asia. And y'all, we got the police here. I'm gonna look these people's address. But we got the police here. Because y'all probably wondering why we got the police here. We got the police here because our granddaddy truck caught on fire.
Yep. It was under the truck.
The fire was under the truck and it was getting bigger and bigger. It is good, boy. He was so nice. He literally pulled it over and he literally helped our granddad. That's what you call a good Samaritan right there. He literally, he took all his time. He had no shoes on. He got out so fast.
He got back in the car.
Yeah. Yeah, he went home, all the way home. I guess he went home, all the way home, I guess. He came all the way back just for us. And he got the fire extinguisher and he put the fire out and my granddad caught the police because we was driving. We were finna drop the truck off to the country because y'all know. Yeah, we live in Louisiana, but it's this country part of Louisiana, and we finna go drop the truck off there at the country part, and y'all probably like, no, you know. Okay, shut up. Don't nobody care. I'm trying to tell these people a story. And yeah.
And I was about to cry.
She sure cried. She was like, no, granddaddy.
Yeah, that's baby.
And like that, yeah, we were gonna drop it off. We was right here. I told my mom, that it was a spark of fire on the side of the truck, but she didn't believe me. She just said, oh, stop playing. And I said, I'm not playing. So when we pulled over, because the truck was literally smoking, when we pulled over, that's how the fire started. And now we got all the police. It really didn't take the police to come here. It literally just took the firefighters to come, but the whole police people came. And yeah, we got people out here trying to help us to do. Mama left us in turn, and I told these kids to get out. Let me take my seatbelt off because I don't got it. I don't even have it on.
That's not your mom.
And yeah, so let me show y'all again. Try not to look these people actors. Not police. Okay. Yeah, I'm glad to see you got people from over there trying to help us.
And Nola got tears back here. Who that?
My elbow.
Nola got tears back here.
I put her in the back. She was sitting up here with me.
This girl is
Nola was crying. Oh my God, this girl actually crying. Well, if I were her, I would cry too. But yeah. It's just like a quick story time what just happened.
You see how
Literally. Come here, Nola. Come up here. No, it don't come up here. I'm gonna shut up. You okay? See y'all? She's literally crying. It's okay.
No, what's that on her nose?
That's called snot.
So she's still, but she's not gonna have COVID. Well, she took the COVID test, but her nose still running.
That's because when you cry, your nose runs, dude. Not the camera falling.
She's crying because the truck got caught on fire.
Alright, so y'all, that was just a quick story time. We just have to. You want y'all to like, comment.
Firefighter on top of us.
Dang, there's bugs in here.
For real, that's why I told Mama to let the windows up because she's getting bugs in here.
But she turned the truck off, so she told me to let the windows down. So.
I thought you was our Mama Joy. Why?
So.
Stop saying it. Cause they're gonna really know.
Y'all, the firefighters are leaving. Like, and you got the police. So, yeah. Like I was saying before, I got rudely interrupted by Brooklyn. Like, comment, and subscribe. We hope y'all pray for our granddad. Y'all sit down. The police coming.
I'm dropping down, baby.
Except, Nola, if you start sneezing. Alright, y'all, that's just the like, comment, and subscribe. The police passing us. I'm waiting for the police to pass. Sit down. Okay, they're going down. That's why I'm doing this. Y'all watching them go. But, okay. Hope y'all like, comment, subscribe. And we're going to say peace out, Asia gang. Bye, Asia gang.
Dang.
She doing all, Nola doing all that sneezing. Y'all look at
Got a
that.
cold.
Look at that, y'all.
She had a hot bubble.
There they go.
She had a hot bubble.
Bye, Asia gang.